Hi, as a business owner of iPaint, we've been always struggling to find a CRM and build that connection with our customers that fits our business model. We have found finally the solution with the CRM Lead Connect. We've been dealing with Paul from Clark Communication for the past 2 to 3 years, and since he introduced us to the CRM, the Lead Connect, it's just a game changer for us. It makes our relation with the customers just seamless. It's the solution for any business that looking to grow. We have seen a lot of growth working with the CRM Lead Connect that makes us look like a huge company instead of a small business. And we always on top of the leads, making sure that it's all followed. And it gives us the ability to make sure that every customer and every inquiry are taken care of on timely manner, and we never lose any lead anymore. It's a great solution for every business. Check it out and don't miss your chance.